eggs from a min tome, from the chov dalet oifos hatemeos. The Gemara says, ve'es bas hayano. From here we learned that any egg from a oif tome is tome, because the Gemara says, ve'chi bas yesh lo leyano. Ramban is masbir. The yano is matil beim. It doesn't give live chicks. Or he says another pshat, there is no difference between a yano and a bas hayano. So why does the Torah write bas hayano? All over in Tanakh it's called yano. To tell me that there is a difference in halacha between the bas, which means the eggs, and the yano and the meat. And that is not the name of the bird, bas hayano. Because we have a klal that any name that has two names has to be written in one line. Malki tzedek. It's two words, but one name has to be written in one line. And by ksubas we also makbid likatchilo. If somebody's name is Avram Moshe, you should write them all in one line. It should not be split. But bas hayano, we don't have to be makbid, because bas is one and the yano is the other one. Toisves in Chulin, over there in Samach Dalet Omed Beis, asks a very simple question. Why do I need a posuk to answer the eggs of a oif tome bes bas hayano? We have a klal called hayoitze min ha-tomei tome. Anything that derives from a min tome has the same halacha to have a iser achilo. Toises comes with a big chiddush. Moira asks, how can you eat eggs from a chicken? The choira we have a problem from eiver min hachai. But since the Torah says in Pashas Kiseitze, ki kore kan tzipor lefonecho baderech uvechol eitz oy al hooretz efroichim oy beitzim vehoem roivetzes hal hoefroichim oy al habeitzim loisika hoem al habonim shaleach teshalach es hoem ve'es habonim tikach loch leman yitaf loch ve'ha'arachto yomim. Torah is matir to take the eggs and eat them. From this posuk, the Torah was matir eiver min hachai in a form of an egg. Until the Torah gave us the heter of eating the eggs have a din of eiver min hachai. Since the Torah was matir eiver min hachai from a oif tohor, automatically even the eggs of a oif tome should become muter. So the Torah comes and it says ve'es bas hayano, that the eggs from a oif tome have a new iser. And the Rambam says that if somebody eats meat from a yano, it's loike. But if somebody eats eggs from a yano, there is no malchus. The Rambam learns a little different than Toisves, that from the posuk ve'es bas hayano, we learn the din of kol hayoitze min ha-tome tome. And the Behag wants to say that the whole posuk from the bas hayano is to tell me that the eggs from a oif tohor is muter, because from the posuk ve'sabonim tikach loch, I don't know what the posuk is talking about. But once the Torah says Vesbas Hayano, the bonim over there means eggs. That's a Shittas HaBehag. The Magid Mishnah wants to say that from the Bas Hayano we learned, not like the Rambam, that if somebody eats the eggs of Oif Tome, he gets Malchus. From the din of Kol HaYotzim Min HaTome Tome, I don't know the din of Malchus. From the din of Bas Hayano, the Torah is Mechadesh Malchus for Kol HaYotzim Min HaTome Tome. That's the Shittas HaMagid Mishnah. And the Rambam Shitta is Mi Besorom Loi Soichelu, only the Bosor gets Malchus. Ves Basayano, Kol HaYotzim Min HaTome Tome, there isn't a din Malchus, only Malchus Mardes. All this is only if the eggs are completely detached from the eshkol. But if the beim are attached to the eshkol, they have a din of Bosor, bein the din of Bosor Becholov, bein the din of Malchus. How about eggs from a non-kosher fish, caviar? We'll learn it also, the Rambam says, from Bas Hayano, has a din of Hayano. But if somebody eats the eggs that are found inside the fish, then he gets Malchus. Because the eggs from a dog tome, mashritzo is b'mei ho'em, the Gemara in Avodah Zorah says. They have a din of a guf dog tome, or sameach. How about eggs of a snake, or a crocodile, or a turtle? The Magid Mishnah says that they are osur min ha-Torah, but there is no din malchus, just like the bas hayano, eggs of an oif tome. Toisves wants to say that it's very possible that beitzas sheretz mutoros min ha-Torah. The only isur is isur miderabonon, because the Torah says all eggs are muter. The bas hayano and all the oifes are osur. A sheretz is not a bas hayano, so the Torah did not answer the eggs of a turtle, snake, and crocodile. It's only midirabonon. But once the beitzas asheretz started to become asheretz, then it's osur minatoiro. A beitza from a oif tome that gave birth to a chick that was hatched from a oif tohor that sat on this egg. Afa piken is osur, and the hesber is because the mother is osur.